You guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
Huh? You want mate?
Who's going?
The economy.
I heard somebody. Oh, 91.5. Hello. Oh my god, guys! They said the Dave voice instead of the regular Missouri State. What? Are you shitting me? No.
Emergency alert system originating from the Missouri State Highway Patrol of Jefferson City and coordinated with the local broadcasters in the community. This is only a test. Temperature of 27.
That's the first day I hear from this devious.
It was in Mount Vernon with a temperature of 32.
So, yeah, we're getting ready for KXI 79's test. It's about to start soon. Hopefully.
It was sunny with a temperature of 27. It was sunny and the temperature was 34.
Oh,
There he goes!
yep, weekly test. I saw it. Yep, weekly test. Damn.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations,
You know, I'm curious.
automatically.
Oh, wait.
Which one's that?
What? Wait.
You kinda got it.
Oh, wait.
Warning service possible. The alert codes will only be activated for the following counties.
42. Chester.
And now time for a commercial break.
When the imposter is sus. Beep, 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 beep.
And now back to our regularly scheduled program.
I knew there were these.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The detention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally go with distance from the transmitter. This may occur. We now return to regular programming.
Thanks, Lincoln. Hey guys, Chaos MOX here, and I'm here along. Well, actually, first off, I am not at home right now. I'm actually downtown Hillsboro, my hometown, and I brought a little friend with me. Let me go reel him in real quick. Come here, you little shit. Who are you?
EASFogle420. What's up?
Right now, yeah, this is me, and this is EASFogle420, aka Chandler, my best friend. This
The person who actually made his 75 subscriber play button?
Yeah, he did. Yeah. And we're also here along with...
If I can get his face in. I don't know if you can see it, but...
Yeah, you probably can't see it, but what's your name, sir?
Hey.
What's your name?
Hi. You know who I am?
No, we don't.
No, we don't. Who are you?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
No, we don't. Who are you?
Yeah, you're the gaming king.
I'm the gaming kingpin, aka SPC-9467. For any of you dumb shit who don't know my name.
Anyways, guys, now, if you made it to this part of the video, this is the end of the video, but I want to express something real quick to my heart and soul for this man right here. This man has been here for my life for a long time. This man has been an inspiration of mine for a while, and, man, this radio is awesome. I mean, the weekly test was fun to capture on the stage, but, this, honestly, I really enjoyed using this for a long time, and I hate to be that person, you know, but this isn't going to be seen anymore in my videos because technically this thing's been with me since graduation of 2020, and I haven't been having much use for it since I have an ER210 and ER50, so I'm officially retiring the EH55 VP out of my collection. But don't worry, I should have mentioned this a long time ago to him. But there was a fourth gift installed into his area, because this isn't my radio anymore. This is his.
What?
Yes, this is your new radio. I don't have any more use for it. Have the EH55. And also, here's the charger with it too. I have no purpose of keeping it in my collection, and I think that you deserve to have a radio to take around with you for safety. So, as for now, you deserve this.
Thank you.
No problem.
Man.
But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the new owner of the EH55 this is his second radio in his collection, official second radio. This man, I'm sure, will take care of this radio. It's cool as fuck. He has this now. And I just want to say this now for all you people. I'm probably not going to upload any more videos. This week's just basically the final video before the holiday. So if you see this video, guys, have a great, for my fans out there, and for his fans out there, have a great and safe Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, whatever the fuck. I hope to see you guys in 2022. Hopefully I changed myself up a lot, but I hope you guys have a great enjoyment of your holidays, and yeah, this is Chaos MOX signing off along with
EASFogle420 and this motherfucker right here. Say your outro.
Me.
No, I am not gay. Say your outro.
SPC-9467. Stop texting me!
Alright.
SPC-9467.
Yep. Stay chaotic, crazy, and peace out. See you guys next year. Or whatever. I'll see you guys sometime before this year's done. See you.
Bye, guys.